An average is a value that represents a set of data. In order to calculate an average, we simply need to add all of the data points together. Then we divide that by how many data points we have. So basically speaking, an average is going to be equal to the sum of the data divided by the number of data points we have. Here's an example of how we'd go about that. We decide to ask 5 people the question, how many apples did you eat last week? Their answers are 0, 3, 14, 7, and 6. Basically, we want to know how many apples did these 5 people eat on average last week? And the key question is, what is the average? Now, to go ahead and solve this equation, what we'll do is we'll use our average formula from earlier, where an average is equal to the sum of data divided by the number of data points. First, let's go ahead and take a look at what the sum of the data is. Now, if you remember, their answers were one person had 0 apples, so we add that as one data point. Another person had 3 apples, so 0 plus 3 is 3. And then our third person had 14 apples. So 3 plus 14 is going to be equal to 17. The fourth person we asked ate a total of 7 apples. So we're going to take the 17 number and add it to 7, which gives us a total of 24. And then the last person, the fifth person we asked, ate a total of 6 apples. So if we add 24 apples plus 6 apples, that gives us a total of 30 apples. So we know that our sum of the data is equal to 30 apples in this case. Now the next part we want to find is the number of data points we have. And the number of data points we have is simply equal to the number of people we asked if they ate an apple last week. And in this case, that answer is 5. So we can go ahead and write an equation here. We have our average, and that's going to equal the sum of data divided by the number of data points. Well, the sum of the data is going to be equal to 30, so we put in 30 on top. And then we divide that by the number of data points, which is 5. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. And our answer in this case is an average of 6 apples per person. And that was how much was consumed on average last week. And that is basically how you'd walk through calculating an average, or conceptually how you'd do it. Thank you for watching.